In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage workspace settings in Coda. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your admin controls and how to confidently handle the most important settings that keep your team organized and secure. Let's begin by opening your workspace controls. From your Coda homepage, look to the lower left corner of the screen and click your name or profile picture. In the menu that appears, choose Admin Settings. If you don't see admin settings, you likely aren't an admin for that workspace, so you'll need to ask an existing admin to grant you access or make changes on your behalf. Once you're in, you'll land in a central hub where all the key management areas are grouped for quick access. Start with the About section. Here you can rename your workspace and add a short description that clarifies its purpose. A clear name and description make it easier for members to recognize they're in the right place, especially if your organization uses multiple workspaces for different teams or projects. Consider using a consistent naming convention that matches your company or department. Next, visit Members and Roles. This is your directory of everyone with access to the workspace. From here, you can invite new members, remove people who no longer need access, and change roles between DocMaker, Editor, and Admin. Keep in mind that doc makers create and own docs, and typically count toward billing. Editors can collaborate without full creation privileges, and admins manage settings and access. It's a good practice to review this list periodically to keep your workspace secure and cost predictable. Membership policies helps you control how people join. You can allow users with specific email domains to automatically join, which streamlines onboarding for your organization. You can also set approval rules for when editors want to become billable doc makers, preventing unexpected charges and ensuring new creators meet your team's standards. In billing, you can review your current plan, update payment methods, and download past invoices. Use this area to confirm your renewal dates, keep billing details current, and maintain clean records for finance and procurement. Head to Packs to manage which integrations are allowed in the workspace and to see current usage. If your team handles sensitive data, consider limiting packs to those you trust and periodically auditing what's in use. Finally, check AI usage to monitor how AI credits are being used across docs and by individual members. Reviewing this data helps you understand adoption, forecast usage, and keep your team within budget. That's it. With admin settings, you have everything you need to keep your Coda workspace organized, secure, and running smoothly.